Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics. Check iOS and headset firmware, then update if needed so software won't block audio. Once done, visually inspect the plug, lightning port, or mesh for lint and debris because physical obstructions are a common cause. Next, test the earphones on another phone and swap left/right channels in accessibility audio settings to see whether the problem follows the earbud or the device. This separates hardware faults from software routing issues. You now perform deeper work. Power down both devices, then use a soft brush or toothpick and 70% isopropyl on a swab to clear connectors. Avoid pushing debris further. Once clean, reset Bluetooth, forget the earphones, and pair again to clear pairing glitches. Also check audio balance and mono and accessibility to ensure audio isn't routed completely to one side. These steps repair contacts, remove digital pairing errors, and confirm the problem isn't an accessibility or balance setting. You finish by diagnosing persistent hardware issues. If cleaning and resets fail, inspect the cable and earbud for kinks or exposed wires, and if available, test continuity with a multimeter. A broken conductor explains one-sided loss. If under warranty, contact Apple support for repair or replacement, or replace just the affected earbud or cable. If you need an immediate workaround, swap to a known good cable or use a wireless pair. If things go wrong, that multimeter continuity check is the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.